Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you, Diksha?
I'm doing well, ma'am. What about you?
I'm also good. Thank you so much. So, are you ready for the interview?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you say about your preparation of IELTS?
I feel my preparation is quite good, although I am very nervous because it would be my first time giving such a test. But I am a bit energetic and excited.
And you are confident you are confident most about this subject.
Listening, and I believe my writing is also pretty good.
Yes, good it is. And now working little more on our speaking section. So I hope you will give us telling beautiful answers.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question is, do you like to travel by air?
Yes, I do. I like traveling by air as it is the fastest, convenient, and comfortable mode of transportation. People can easily reach their destination in the shorter period of time.
And it is also believed to be the
Safest
mode of transportation. How often do you travel by air?
Although I haven't got a chance to travel by air presently,
Presently?
but in future I'm looking forward to travel, and
And I believe that when you would be going abroad for your higher studies, you are going to get the chance for that. Okay. And would you imagine that what you would do if you have to wait at airport?
I would visit local stores and buy something for myself and for my family members. I would also go to food stores to have something.
Okay, good it is. And which seat would you prefer? That would be the window seat or aisle seat?
I would prefer a window seat as it would give me an experience to see how the plane takes off and lands.
And importantly, you would also get the view of the
Mountains.
the clouds,
Yes, ma'am.
the clouds down. And so the next question is, what are the advantages of air travel as compared to other mode of transportation?
I believe air transport is much more safer. It is faster. It is comfortable for the persons, especially for the elderly persons. Moreover, it is less crowded as compared to other modes of
If we
transportation.
talk about traveling by buses or traveling by train.
Train.
Right, it is. So my next set of question is, do you enjoy learning new skills?
Yes, absolutely. I am very curious to learn new skills.
I am an avid learner.
I am an avid learner. It gives me an opportunity to enhance my skills and creativity in different fields.
Which new skill would you like to learn?
So I would like to learn baking skills as I am
Making of what?
making of cakes, muffins, as I am very passionate about cooking. Because cooking helps me to release my stress and helps me to become more creative.
Okay, and why do people need to learn new skills nowadays?
I believe in this modern era, uh, people need to have a new skill to fit themselves in the professional careers. Uh, they need to have a skill about
The speaking skills,
speaking
technical skills, and also how to behave professionally and personally, because these skills give them entry to the professional world, you are saying. And why do have you learned any new skill recently?
Yes, as I told you earlier, I am learning how to bake cakes and muffins. So uh, I learned cooking skills through online videos. Moreover, I also learned about South Indian dishes by watching videos from chefs.
And now tell me that has technology changed the way people learn new skills these days?
Yes, technology has changed.
Technology has brought great transformation.
Technology has brought a great transformation, as nowadays people can learn different skills by taking online courses. They can have brief. They can learn courses through uh,
Applications.
different applications.
You could talk about the things in the past, that gone are the days when people would be going to the institutions and taking lessons from the trainers and the teachers personally. Technology today has given everything at their home. So they can join online courses, they can go to the YouTube channels, and they can download anything that they want to learn today. So there is a wonderful change. And do you think that online courses are as effective as people learn other way?
I think online courses are effective because through online we can have multiple resources. We can scroll down ebooks. Moreover, we can find a proper tutor who has an experience in different fields. So I think it has benefited students. Moreover, the fee structure is also less as compared to other modes.
Yes, right. It is answering well, logical, but I would say that little paraphrasing in the beginning is important.
Okay.
Do you think that online courses are effective? Yes, they are effective. Instead of, you could say that, yes, I believe that these online platforms are doing wonder, helping the learners in a great way. Repetition
Yes.
should be avoided,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
It is so good. This was done for our today's practice, and we will continue. We are having little few more days,
Yes,
a
ma'am.
few more days. But good luck, and thank you for the interview.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.